The Story of Hannanaa. This is a story about how the palm trunk, the trunk of the date tree, complained when they made a seat for the prophet, peace be upon him. Hannanaa is the sound of distress made by a baby camel when it is separated from its mother. You see, there are so many people who wanted to hear and see the blessed face of the prophet, peace be upon him, that the companions had to build an elevated seat for him called a mimbar. One day they heard the crying of the palm trunk on whom for so long the prophet, peace be upon him, had leaned against to talk to the people. Gently, the prophet, peace be upon him, talked to the palm trunk in clear language. "What is the matter, dear friend? What do you want?" It said, "I cannot bear the parting from you. I was your support, and now you have run away from me." The prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Do you wish to be made a date palm, so that the people of the east and the west can gather fruit from you? Or do you want Allah to make you a cypress tree in the world, so that you remain everlastingly fresh?" It replied, "I wish to live forever with you." The prophet, peace be upon him, assured the trunk that it would be with him in heaven. When the palm trunk dried up and died, it was buried there, and a pillar was raised in its memory. The pillar is within the sanctuary of the Prophet's mosque in Medina.